So hey, so Sukkot is over. I'll do a separate video on that, but Pastor and I are getting back to our homesteading chores that we've kind of been letting go for the last week. And I'm taking you along on this one. So follow. This was a water storage that used to be, I believe, a honey container that used to be on this platform, which really was not that well made and is rotting and falling apart. And it fell off and it split the whole bottom of it. So it's no longer good for holding liquids. But what I plan on doing with it, I hope you can see it, is to make it into a goat shelter. So I've already been sawing the plastic and I've gotten down to there. Can't get a picture of me using it, and my videographer's not, because I'm holding it when I'm using it. My videographer's not here, but I can show you the result. It kind of make, what do you want to call that, like mozzarella cheese sized, coleslaw sized shavings, and cut right through it like he said he would. So I'm going to continue on with the project. Okay, so I've gotten it almost all the way cut through. That's the other side I'm going to have to do by hand because the surface is very uneven, but I was able to do the long sides with the handheld saw. This is what it looks like right down there. So I will finish up with the handsaw right there by the circle, and then it'll be done. Old lady power, but I finally got it sawed in half. And now I'm going to put it in the Terex and take it up there to where my goats are and set that guy up as a shelter for them to go in. So I'm probably going to either have to prop this end up or cut a bigger hole around those openings, or possibly in the backside I could use that saw and cut an opening. That's probably what I'll do, because that'll be the easier thing for them to be able to get in and out. In place, the finished product. I cut the doors, which look really small, but goats will squeeze. And these are not full-size goats, except this Nubian fella here. The rest of them are pygmies, so they're not huge. And I think with them painted black, they'll warm up in there. And I think the goats will probably go inside them. There's a possibility they'll also climb on them. Since they're brand new, they're very curious. They've already sniffed them and were climbing inside them when I had them upside down. So we'll see, but I think it's worth a trial, worth a try as an experiment to see if we can turn this ruined water container into something useful on the property. All right, y'all, bless you. Shalom.